Good morning all students. How are you? In today lecture, we will discuss of surface area and volume of lecture 5. In previous lecture of lecture 4, we already discussed of ninth class that how we will find out the curved surface area and how we will find out the total surface area of the right circular cone. So in today lecture also we will discuss some important and remaining questions based on cone. So that is also of exercise 13 point. Now in cone we already discussed that its curved surface area is pi rl and its total surface area is that pi rl plus pi r square. Then how we will find the question based on that one. So first question is, if the TSA of cone is 156 centimeter square and its CSA is 1/3 of its TSA. What is given to you students here? If the TSA of the cone is 156 centimeter square and its curved surface area is 1/3 of its total surface area, then find the radius. So students, how we will find out the radius? What is given to you here? TSA is equals to 156 centimeter square. And second is that condition is given CSA is 1/3 of its TSA. The curved surface area of the cone is 1/3 of its TSA. So we can easily calculate its TSA. So CSA is equal 1/3 multiply TSA is 156, 52. So its CSA will come 52 centimeter square. Now what we will calculate here? Now we will calculate here radius, but we know that TSA is equals to CSA plus pi r square, right? In case of cone, total surface area, how we will obtain? Its curved surface area plus area of the base, and in cone base looks like a circle. So what is the area of the base? Pi r square. Substitute the value. TSA 156, 52 plus pi r square. 52 will come left hand side. 156 minus 52 is equals to pi r square. Now we will subtract 104 pi r square. So r square equal 104, 22 upon 7. So from here r square 104 multiply 7 divided by 22, 11, 52. So r square equals 7 to 14, 36 upon 11. So what is the value of r? Under root 364 upon 11 centimeter. So students, that question is important because if you don't know that what is the, how we will obtain the total surface area of the cone. Total surface area of the cone is CSA plus pi r square. अगर आपको ये पता है कि TSA कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, CSA में पाई आर स्क्वायर क्या करना है, ऐड करना है. बट अगर आपने स्टूडेंट्स डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला लर्न कर रखा है, व्हाट पाई आर ब्रैकेट आर प्लस एल, और इस फॉर्मूले को अगर आप यूज कर रहे हो, देन वी कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट द रेडियस. ओके, ये फॉर्मूला आपको यहाँ पे यूज नहीं करना है. Why we will not use that formula here? Because here CSA is given and TSA is given, आपको total surface area given है, and second is curved surface area given. So we know how we will obtain the total surface area. Total surface area is equals to curved surface area plus base area, which is pi r square. So that's why that question is different and important question. Understand? Now next type question is that suppose given to you that if the ratio of radius and height of cone are in 5:12 and its curved surface area is 169 pi centimeter square. If the ratio of the radius and height of the cone are in 5:12 and its curved surface area is 169 pi centimeter square, then find the TSA of cone. So आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है स्टूडेंट? We will calculate here total surface area. So to calculate the total surface area of the cone, here we required two things. Firstly, what is the radius of the circle? Second, what is the slant height of the cone? But here we don't know what is the radius, and here also we don't know what is the slant height. So in question what is given to you, the ratio of radius and height is 5/12. So let radius be 5x and height be 12x. Then we know that L square is equals to R square plus H square. स्लैंट हाइट का स्क्वायर किसके इक्वल होगा? R square plus H square. So L square equals to 5x whole square plus 12x whole square. L square equals to 25x square plus 144. L square 169x square. That is the value of L square. So from here, what is the value of L? Under root 169x square, which will come 13x. Right? L value क्या बन गई? 13x. Now we know that what is the CSA of cone, which is equals to pi RL. CSA is 169 pi. What is the value of R? R is 5x and L is 13x. Pi cancel. So 13, 5 is 65. X square is equals to 169. So from here x square is equals to 169 upon 65. So what is the value of x? Under root 169 upon 65. Or that can be written as under root 13 upon 5. X value ये. Now how we will find out its total surface area? X value आपने obtain कर ली. What is the value of x? Under root 13 upon 5. Now how we will take the square root of that one? अब आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट? इसका square root calculate करना है. So how we will calculate the square root? X equal under root divide करो 5 to the 10.6. So what is the approximation square root of 2.6? we will find out using long division method 2.6, then make pair 0 0. We will take one more pair. Now how we will find out? We will make pair, suitable pair. So you can find out the square root of that. आपको क्या करना है, इसका स्क्वायर रूट कैलकुलेट करना. अब देखो इसका स्क्वायर रूट कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? बाय मेकिंग पेयर. एक पेयर बनाओ, then take square root, that is the value of x. So radius is the 5x, 5 multiply under root 2.6 centimeter. Now TSA is equals to CSA plus pi r square. TSA equals to क्या होगा? CSA plus pi r square. R square value we know. So TSA equal, what is the curved surface area? 169 pi plus pi r value 5 under root 2.6 whole square. So its TSA will come 169 pi plus pi. 5 square is 25 multiplied by 2.6. Then you can simplify. That is the answer will come in centimeter square. So that is the total surface area of the given cone. So students, in that question, what is given to you? Firstly given to you is that radius and height ratio is 5:12. So radius and height ratio आपको given है 5:12 है. After that its CS is also given to you 169 pi centimeter square. So using the formula of curved surface area, CSA of cone is pi r l, we will find out the value of constant x. X की value find out कर ली. After that we will find out its TSA using the formula total surface area is equals to curved surface area plus pi r square. Understand? Now next type questions देखो और इसमें next type question, that is very important question. A right angle triangle in which AB equals to 5 centimeter, BC equals to 12 centimeter, AC is equals to 13 centimeter. When we are revolving, first is along AB, then find CSA and TSA of cone. And second is that when we are revolving along BC, then find curved surface area and total surface area of the cone. In that question, a right angle triangle is given to you. In that right angle triangle, two conditions are given. A right angle triangle A, B and C given to you, that is 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. For case first, when we are revolving along AB, आपको क्या करना है? AB के along revolve करना. किसके रेस्पेक्ट में रिवॉल्व कर रहे हो? along AB. Then we form a cone. For that cone, that AB becomes the height of the cone and BC become the base radius. So first case में क्या बनेगा डायग्राम आपका? That cone. Here point A, point B and point C. 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 12 not, 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. In this case, height of the cone is 5 centimeter, radius is 12 centimeter, and slant height is 13 centimeter. So CSA is pi RL, pi R वैल्यू 12 है, L वैल्यू 13, pi. So answer will come 156 pi centimeter cube. That is the curved surface area. Second आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, इसमें टोटल सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है. So how we will calculate its total surface area? So TSA equal CSA plus pi R square. So CSA 156 pi plus pi, what is value of R? 12 square. 156 pi plus 144 pi, then pi as it is 6400, 200 pi centimeter square, sorry 300 pi centimeter square. That is the total surface area of that cone. So students, if a right angle triangle is given to you and given that along which sides we are revolving here, किस साइड के along क्या कर रहे हो, रिवॉल्व कर रहे हो. सो जिस साइड के along रिवॉल्व कर रहे हो, that become the height of the cone. Largest side is the always its slant height, and remaining is the radius of the cone. Understand first part. अब second part में क्या है, देखो along BC के along revolve कर रहे हो. So BC become the height of the cone and AB become the radius of the cone. आप इसको practically भी देख सकते हो with the help of paper की help से भी देख सकते हो that why if we are revolving along AB, then why AB become the height and why BC become the radius. So second case देखो उसमें in case second, when we are revolving along BC, so along BC, then cone is forming here A, B and C. So that BC is 12 centimeter and AB is 5 centimeter and that is 13 centimeter. किसके along revolve कर रहे हो, BC, and what is the value of BC? 12 centimeter. That become the height of the cone. So here height is 12 centimeter, radius is 5 centimeter and L fixed 13 centimeter. So calculate its CSA. CSA is pi RL, pi 5 into 13, 65 pi centimeter square. सेकेंड आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, TSA. सो TSA इक्वल CSA प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ CSA? 65 पाई प्लस पाई इंटू 25, 65 प्लस 25 पाई, that will come 90 pi centimeter square. That is the total surface area of that one. Understand? So when we are revolving along its that given side, that side become the height of the cone, and we remaining is the radius of the cone. Understand? But question is arise that if we are revolving along its hypotenuse, अभी तो क्या किया था, आइदर आपने बेस के अलोंग रिवॉल्व किया था और वी आर रिवॉल्विंग अलोंग इट्स हाइट, या तो ट्राइंगल के बेस के अलोंग रिवॉल्व किया था या सेकेंड इज उसकी हाइट के अलोंग रिवॉल्व किया था. बट क्वेश्चन इज दैट इफ वी आर रिवॉल्विंग अलोंग इट्स हाइट, सॉरी अलोंग इट्स हाइपोटेनियस, देन व्हाट रिजल्ट विल कम. दैट इज द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. क्वेश्चन क्या है? ए राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल in which question is that a right angle triangle in which AB equal 5 centimeter, BC equal 12 centimeter, AC equal 13 centimeter. When we are revolving along AC, then find the curved surface area and total surface area of the cone. Question for you. Okay, that question is based on concept. ये questions आपको solve करना है. So when we are revolving along its hypotenuse, then here I told to you that two cones are forming. Double cone का क्या होगा? Formation होगा. For that double cone, you will find out the radius and you will find out the slant height. So that is the question for you. Now next type questions देखो और कौन पे बेस. Next type question is, if in a cone given to you that the ratio of its curved surface area and total surface area, if the ratio of TSA and CSA of the cone is 144 to 120, then find the ratio of radius to slant height. So in that question what is given to you? If the ratio of total surface area and curved surface area of the cone is 144 to 120, then find the ratio. So आपको क्या given है students? TSA divided by CSA of cone is 144 to 120. Then you will calculate the ratio of radius to the slant height. ये आपको calculate करना है. So how we will calculate here? What is the total surface area of the cone? Pi r bracket r plus l. What is the curved surface area? Pi r l. 144 upon 120, 12. Then 10, 5, 6. Pi r cancel. So r plus l divide l is equals to 6 upon 5. But we will calculate here the ratio of r by l. But आपके पास तो वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? r plus l upon l. So how we will find out the ratio of r by l? First condition, r plus l upon l equals to 6 upon 5. Now l is present in downward, so l divides to r also and as well as l also. r को भी डिवाइड कर रहा है, l और l को भी डिवाइड कर रहा है. So that can be written as r by l plus l by l equals to 6 upon 5. l cancel. r by l plus 1 is equals to 6 upon 5. So what is the ratio from here? r by l equals to 6 upon 5 minus 1 upon 1. r by l 6 minus 5 upon 5. So r by l is equals to 1 upon 5. So a ratio of radius to slant height is 1:5. So write down answer. So r ratio l is 1:5. So ratio of a radius to slant height is 1:5. So students, all questions are based on formula. if you know what is the curved surface area of the cone and what is the total surface area of the cone, and how we find the total surface area of cone using curved surface area and its base area, then easily you can solve each and every question. Understand? So in today lecture 5, we discuss the different and important question based on the cone. So again I repeat that the question in that given to you, a right angle triangle is given to you. So first one, when we are revolving along its base, right angle triangle के base के along revolve करोगे, then base become the height of the cone, perpendicular become the radius of the cone, and hypotenuse become the slant height of the cone. Meaning जिसके along revolve कर रहे हो, that become the height, remaining side except hypotenuse become the radius, and hypotenuse always become the slant height. And one question already given to you for you, that if a right angle triangle is revolved along its hypotenuse, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल को आपने हाइपोटेनियस के अलोंग क्या कर दिया है, रिवॉल्व कर दिया, देन वी आर फॉर्मिंग ए डबल कोन. So how we will find out the total surface area and how we will find out the curved surface area. So that is the all about of today lecture 5. In next lecture 6, we will discuss a different topic, that is sphere and hemisphere. So that we will discuss in next lecture. So next lecture, very important topic, sphere and hemisphere, how we will find out the total surface area, how we will find out the curved surface area of the sphere and hemisphere, and how we will find out the surface areas of spherical or hemispherical cell. That we will discuss in next lecture. Okay, thank you.